morning, feeling mighty fine, thinking about the rhythms in my mind. That's when I realized, deep down inside, my cells are energized, and the power of the drum keeps me alive. The power of the drum keeps me alive. Welcome. This is Dr. Drum, and today we're going to talk about parranda. What is parranda? Well, it's a Puerto Rican tradition, and this time of the year during Christmas, it's a collective of people coming together with all kinds of instruments and singing these traditional songs. We know them as aguinaldos. And so the aguinaldos is our way of celebrating how we use it, how we come together to a song. It's like a musical assault. We surprise people. We go door to door. We knock on the door and voila, parranda! Plena resonates with me, and with the Plena, I'm able to participate and do a parranda. And I want to show you something very basic that you too can learn to Plena. And maybe, through this tutorial this year, you can participate in a parranda. There are many instruments we use in a parranda. BombaYo, we use panderetas. And panderetas are the drums that are used when you're playing this musical style called Plena. Here's an example of a pandereta. The seguidor, the low drum, it's like it plays the pulse. Every music has its pulse. And in Plena, the pulse in the Plena is directed with this drum, the seguidor. And it's very simple. I'm going to play very slow, and it's almost like you can hear the pulse, and pulse is beat number 1 and beat number 3. And so I'm going to do a 4 count, but out of the 4 count, beat number 1 and number 3 is what we're going to hear with the seguidor. Now watch how it goes. I will count, and then I will stop counting, but I will keep playing, and you can feel the pulse, right? 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hello, Goriota. Hello, Goriota. Bien por la maceta vamos a gozar. Huepa, huepa, huepa. Vamos a gozar. Huepa, huepa, huepa. So right there, when we start the song, the lead singer will start with the coro of the song, Hello, Gloria está. And then after he introduces the song, the audience, everyone else, will repeat what he said, and that becomes the coro. And it's repeated throughout the song. So right after me, you may want to just join me. You can join me and you can sing along with me. So here we go. I will start playing. I'll start the pulse. I'll sing the song. And then right after that, you repeat the song, and we'll do that together, okay? Here we go. Hello, Goriota. Hello, Goriota. Bien por la maceta vamos a gozar. Huepa, huepa, huepa. Vamos a gozar. Huepa, huepa. Now everybody, here we go. Hello, Goriota. Hello, Goriota. Bien por la maceta vamos a gozar. Huepa, huepa, huepa. Vamos a gozar. Huepa, huepa, huepa. Wow, chévere. So now here we go. and it would play something like this. Hello, Goriota. Hello, Goriota. Bien por la maceta, vamos a gozar. Huepa, huepa, huepa. Vamos a gozar. Huepa, huepa, huepa. Good. So now, unlike a seguidor that's playing the pulse, this particular pattern here, what you hear is the 3-4, and then the 1-2 is a pause. So it's like 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. See that? Right? So it's very simple, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. And that's where when I start the song, I started right on the 1, right? So let's do it again, just like what we did with the seguidor. I will start the song, and then everyone will join me with the coro. Okay, here we go. Hello, Goriota. Hello, Goriota. Bien por la maceta, vamos a gozar. Huepa, huepa, huepa. Vamos a gozar. Huepa, huepa. ¿Qué dice? Hello, Goriota. Hello, Goriota. Bien por la maceta, vamos a gozar. Huepa, huepa, huepa. Vamos a gozar. Huepa, huepa, huepa. Huepa. There are two different ways you can do plena. You can go to school and learn music and become a professional musician and learn to play the plena. Or you can do it like me. You can just understand that if you're Puerto Rican, that the plena is not something outside of you. It's something inside of you. Como dice Mariposa, yo no nací en Puerto Rico, pero Puerto Rico nació en mí. And this is what our music is about. Whether si está allá o si está acá, somos igual porque somos boricua.